Hey all food lovers and welcome to my channel Cookingaddiction. Today I'll show you all how to prepare a popular Goan fish recipe, that is Mackerel Recheado. You all can also use pomfret in this recipe, but as you all know, pomfrets are expensive and using mackerels will be a good choice. So without wasting much time, let's see how it is prepared. I have two mackerels here. First you have to clean it. For that you have to cut the fins, tail and the head. You have to also clean the guts. You may retain the head if you wish to. Wash and drain the fish. Slit the fish on either sides so as to get deep pockets. Wash the fish again and drain it completely. Apply salt, turmeric powder and lemon juice to the entire fish and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes to marinate. Drain out excess liquid. If you all want a recipe for Recheado Masala, I've given a link in the description below so you all can check it out. Fill the pockets of each mackerel with the Recheado Masala paste, making sure the masala does not spill out. Approximately 2 teaspoons of Recheado Masala is used for each mackerel. Place the semolina on a plate and roll each stuffed whole mackerel in semolina. Semolina gives a crispy coating to the mackerel. You can also use refined flour or just fry it with the skin. Heat sufficient oil in a non-stick pan till hot. Reduce the heat and gently slide in the whole stuffed mackerel. Fry on medium heat on each side for 3 minutes. Make sure the oil is hot or else the fish tends to stick. Flip gently to fry on the other side. Fry till the fish is cooked through and the fish is golden and crisp. Take care not to burn. Adjust the flame if needed. Stuffed mackerels can also be grilled or baked. Lift the fish with the help of a spatula. Drain the oil completely from the fish and transfer to a plate. Serve as a starter or enjoy with your favorite fish curry, rice or pulao, steamed rice and dal tadka. If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this recipe, you all can write in the comment section below. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.